Part of managing diversity means addressing the glass ceiling, which is an invisible barrier to advancement that has historically adversely affected the minority groups in organizations. For example, about half of the U.S. workforce is made up of women, yet less than a fifth of top executives are women, and less than a third of vice presidents are women. One of the factors that contributes to the existence of a glass ceiling is that minority groups do not have the same access to training and development opportunities. In addition to the strategies mentioned on the previous slide, here are a few more suggestions for addressing the glass ceiling. Help people understand the connection between their attitudes, beliefs, feelings, opinions, and their behaviors at work. Periodically review the promotion rates of your staff to determine if some groups are being promoted faster or slower than the rest of the workforce. Collect more information about the barriers that exist within your organization with questionnaires and focus groups. Make sure that every single employee has access to development opportunities, especially options like mentoring and coaching, where relationships are developed and social networks are expanded. Promoting diversity doesn't mean we ignore differences. It means we use them to our advantage to make the organization even better. As you now know, training plays an instrumental role in creating the kind of work environment where this can happen.